Don't forget to subscribe.
How to remove dental plaque in 5 minutes naturally, without going to the dentist. Plaque is the accumulation of food waste in the internal and external surfaces of the teeth. This oral disease can cause bad breath, and may also develop other conditions, such as the same condition sorrow, which develops when these food residues harden and calcine in the teeth, causing bleeding and halitosis. Although there is no definitive solution to prevent the development of plaque on the teeth, you can perform a number of home procedures to reduce the accumulation of these residues in the mouth and prevent this disease progresses. Do you dare to know more? For people who smoke, it is common that these plates are dark yellow due to the accumulation of nicotine in the teeth. The same applies to people who are used to drinking coffee and chewing snuff. Plaque is the beginning of what may be a major problem, as tooth decay and even tooth loss. What is recommended for the average person? It is to visit the dentist every 6 months for a procedure known as deep prophylaxis. Although this procedure is not expensive, most people last year without going to the dentist, as well because they forget or because they fear professional mouth. In this article we will show you an amazing remedy to remove plaque without having to go to the dentist. Home Remedy 1. Ingredients: ½ liter of water, 60 grams of flour nutshell. Preparation: in a container, preferably aluminum, let boil water and 60 grams of flour nutshell. Low heat until it reaches boiling point. Then let it boil 10 minutes on low heat. The result will be a slurry similar to toothpaste that we will use to brush our teeth for 5 minutes 2 times a month. Home Remedy 2. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons sunflower seed, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, ½ liter of water. Preparation: in a container, preferably aluminum. Our ingredients simmer over low heat for 1 hour. The result of this mixture, use it to brush our teeth for 5 minutes 2 times a month. This will keep our teeth free of plaque and tartar. Our oral hygiene is very important because it is our letter to smile and talk. The accumulation of tartar and plaque causes bad breath. Apart from how ugly it looks, damaged teeth, black, yellow and/or tips. As discussed in this article, it is also essential to make good dental hygiene daily. We capillarize our teeth after every meal for at least 2 minutes, insisting well on all teeth and molars. Preferably we'll use an ecological and natural toothpaste, because conventional contains substances too aggressive with our oral pH. We will use the thread or dental floss every night before bed to remove food debris between teeth. We can also use a mouthwash. If we want natural one, we can do with thyme and mint infusion, or diluted with seawater and 2 parts average natural water. If we visit the dentist, hold scale for a dental cleaning, although it is also not recommended to be performed too often as they could damage our enamel.
Yeah.